Hubby went freezer hunting and found a couple of whole fish in our freezer. He wasn't sure how long they'd been there, but decided to go on and cook them up and see how they taste. I'll have to check with him what the names of these fish are, and I'll put it in the description box. The first step is to make sure the fish are dry. So I'll pat them with some paper towels. I'm going to take the salt and salt the fish. And this was about a teaspoon of salt per fish. Pepper doesn't go on at this stage yet. Next, I'm going to take the Soching wine, and this is about a tablespoon per fish, and we're going to coat it outside. And this is going to sit for about 5 minutes. And that's just a quick little marinade, salt and Soching wine. 5-minute marinade in salt and Soching wine. Now that the fish has been marinating and that process is done, I actually did 5 minutes per side. I'm now going to put it on the plate that I'm going to steam it in. Move that out of the way. I'm going to stuff the inside with some green onions, and these are just cut up green onions. And I'm going to reserve some of the other green onions later on for after the fish is complete. I have some ginger here, and that's approximately a couple of tablespoons. And I'm going to put just a couple of pieces inside. And the rest I'm going to layer on top of the fish. This is now ready to go inside the steamer. Got my water boiling and steaming, and I'm going to put the plate carefully, I can burn myself, inside the steamer. We'll take the cover and place it on top of the fish, and we're going to let that steam for about 12 minutes. This is 12 minutes in the steamer. I'm going to first turn the fire off, then let out some of this liquid, because we don't need that anymore. And I'm going to move this over to the counter so that we can do the next stage in prepping. I'm going to take the plate out of the steamer. Oops, I lost the tail. That's okay. Just place that back there. I'm going to now place the onions. And these are about 1-inch pieces of green onions. And I've got a jalapeno. We're going to place that over. Lots of jalapeno. I'm also going to place the remaining of the pepper. And there's a little bit of salt in there too. the canola oil that I had previously. I'm now going to, well, what I did first with the canola oils, I heated it to smoking, and it is smoking. And then we're going to very carefully pour this over the fish. I'm also going to take the sesame oil and drizzle that on the fish. Got some soy sauce. We're going to coat that. And then we have cilantro, just to dress it up a bit. And there we have it, Cantonese style steamed fish.